Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and in this video we will discuss about if and else statement. So for this I will create a C# script. I will name it as if and else. Now I will open it. So actually if and else are used to make our code condition specific. So the basic use of if and else is in case we want that some code to be if we want some code to be executed only if our certain condition is satisfied, then we will use if and else. Okay, so for this let me create a variable. I will create integer variable and store 20 in it. Now for if and else, in the if part I will give the condition. So let's say I have given a condition that if variable is less than 100, then I want to print in the console that variable is less than 100. Not this. Let's say if part is executed, right? I want to print this. And in other case, if variable is not less than 100, it is greater than 100 or maybe equal to 100, then we want to print else part is executed. So this is the syntax of if and else. Now I will save the script. I will get back to the Unity. I will select the cube and attach the if and else script. Okay, so now I will go to the console and play the game. So actually our variable is 20, which is less than 100. That's why if part is executed. Okay, let's say we want another condition in which a variable is greater than 100 but less than 200, then we will use else if. So I'm using else if and then the or and operator. And then save the script, get back to the Unity, go to the console, and let's see, here we have 20, but for this condition let's say I have 150 in the variable. Now because it is 150, else if part will be executed. So you can see else if part is executed. So this is all about if and else statement. There are many alternative for if and else, like switch statement. We can use switch, but here I have explained if and else only. In another videos I will talk about switch also.